5 Secrets to Weight Loss. I certainly don't have secrets, but I do have some secrets, and I want to share them with you in the hope that you will find them helpful. Weight used to be a major issue for me. Losing weight was never out of my mind, and I can't tell you how many different diets, pills, and programs I tried until I discovered some secrets that worked for me over the years. So here they are. I hope they do as much for you as they have done for me. 1. Shift your focus from losing weight to good health. I grew up as a sick child and I was a sick young adult. I hated being sick and never had the energy to do what I wanted to do. So I decided to find out what makes great health. First, I read a lot of books on nutrition and I was convinced that I needed to switch to organic foods. It was quite a challenge in 1961. There was a Coop health food store that I had to follow around Los Angeles as it kept moving the locations. But it was worth it. Now my rule of thumb is that if they didn't eat it 100 years ago, I wouldn't eat it now. It cuts out most packaged and processed foods and leaves natural, organic foods. 2. Learn to read your body signals about what makes your body feel good and what doesn't. I no longer read about all the different diets because I've learned to tune into my body to know exactly what my body needs for good health. Since my body needs different things than yours, no one meal plan will work for everyone. Your job is to learn what gives you energy and what deprives you of energy, and which foods create peace and which create movement. Once I knew what my body needed for good health, I lost weight and kept it off with ease. 3. Find a form of exercise that you enjoy and that you can do at least 5 times a week. I found that I love walking in nature, so I go for a half-hour brisk walk every day. However, this can be a problem if you have physical limitations or a chronic illness. Losing weight with chronic illness or physical limitations isn't impossible, but it can be a huge challenge. 4. Know which part of you determines what and when you eat, as well as how much you eat. We all have an injured part of ourselves that uses various addictions to deal with feelings of loneliness, helplessness, anxiety, depression, fear, and anger. Some people may use alcohol, drugs, spending, TV, gambling, sex, etc. to escape their pain, while others use food. While food can serve to soothe painful feelings in the moment, in the long run all addictions backfire and create the same pain you're trying to avoid. Yet our wounded selves continue to choose addictive behaviors as a way to manage pain. As long as the injured part of you is choosing what you eat, you may continue to have weight problems. The part of us that is able to manage painful emotions in a healthy way and make healthy choices is the loving adult. The loving adult is that part of us that has a deep desire to know about and take loving action on our behalf. The development of a loving adult is a major aspect in health and well-being as well as in losing weight and maintaining a healthy weight. 5. Learn to connect with the spiritual source of wisdom, strength, love and guidance. The loving adult is that part of us that is connected to a spiritual source of guidance rather than being ruled by the mind. The mind, brought up programmed from childhood, is the home of the wounded self. You are a loving adult in those moments when you choose to be guided by a source of wisdom beyond your mind. This source will always guide you towards your highest good. You just have to learn to open up and listen. It is quite possible that if you adopt these secrets into your life you will not only lose weight, but also move into greater physical and emotional health and well-being. We offer you a weight loss course, the link given in description of video. Once you have developed a powerful loving inner adult, you will be able to lose weight. If you really want to lose weight, there is a way. If you want to lose weight, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon,